Good afternoon, friends. This is the second paper which I wanted to showcase to you as to how the authors have gone ahead to discuss about the databases that they have used. This is a very unique kind of a paper, and especially with the topic, you can see that human robo interaction and sex bots, a systematic literature review. Now, again, if I'll just show it to you as to when this particular paper was published. Before that, you can have a look in the abstract itself that the authors are talking about Scopus and WOS databases differently to answer different research questions. So you can see how they have taken care of it. Now, research questions regarding what? Regarding the design, interaction, gender. These are the variables from 1980 until 2020. And if you look at this particular paper that I have selected for you, is basically for the current year. Again, you can see it is in census 2020, and this is the MDPI, again the journal. So it's a good journal that I have chosen, and let's go ahead directly. Now, I'm not going to read the entire thing out here, which is necessary for me to showcase to you about the paper. I have shared it, so you can go ahead and you can have a look at it. What is interesting for me is basically the way the authors have used these databases specially, and you will look into it. Results: the search in WOS using the keywords and the period between 1980 to 2020 resulted in 1244 articles. Okay, after filtering by the type of this one. So look at the journals that they have selected. So these are the journal psychology development topics selected in the WOS database. Okay, that's number one. Later on, when they went ahead with the Scopus database also, using those query building forms that are present over there, they have checked out and they have given us. Now, unless and until you don't use these databases, now here they most probably they wanted to use only two databases. However, my recommendation to each and every person is that don't just rely only on two databases. Now, for them, like for me also, WOS, whenever I log in and I'm searching, I get so much of information that just using that particular database itself, I'm able to write a lot of things. Now, this particular diagram that you're looking at here right now, this is three plot diagram relating references, authors and topics. This is taken from WOS. WOS gives you the leverage, and if you have got the access, you will be getting all these things, and you can go ahead and you can publish. This is another thing which is fantastic. This also is available because I have taken done little bit of work on that side, so I know this is directly because this tells you about the author and year. So you have got the graphs and how well the clustering is being taken care is showcased to you in WOS. So if you are able to understand and if you are able to write these things, you can go ahead. And this is the word cloud again, which is available in that particular thing, and they came up with this particular thing. Even this one also, co-occurrence network of concept, which is called as bubble graph. These are also available in WOS, and depending upon the choices of the words, the keywords that you are going to use it, you are. So I think if you, and this is the source impact, you can see how well they have developed, which is called as H index. It is there. This particular diagram also has been taken from WOS. Now I'll show you later on. I'll take you through how the website looks like and what all things are available in WS, so that you are able to understand and proceed further. Now look at the table that they have come up with the research questions, and you should remember that unless and until you haven't used those websites or the web databases, you will not be able to write. For example, I have chosen Green, McDormand and Vasudevan 2008 paper. Goals, that is the objective. Keywords are these things: type of study, survey study, main outcome. This is something which everybody does it at the level of the review of literature. However, if you add more to it, basically this is for to go ahead with the research question and the design approaches. However, if you add let's say which database you have taken, what all things were available for you from that particular database, those things will make your work much more easier, and you can do a very good comparative work also side by side. Now this is for the research question too. So you will understand that when you are using these kind of databases, you are able to come up and derive yourself with a lot of things which you would like to showcase. So as many number of research questions, now they have just focused up only upon the research questions, and they have given you this particular paper. So you can see the depth of it using only WOS and the other database that the authors have discussed over here. So this is how you will be able to understand and know. So this is one paper that I wanted to showcase to you, and the another paper, let me come back with the another one so that I can showcase to you in depth what all things are being discussed over there also, so that you know what exactly they are deriving. And for example, in this case, they have seen the articles which needs to be included and which articles supposed to be excluded, and whether it fits in with their research questions also or not, and so that they can develop the further areas. For example, from here they want to go ahead with the hypothesis building, so that comes out to be their another paper from their end. So you will see these kind of things coming up only once you are able to select the databases. Through the databases, you know what journals are available and how to go ahead and take care. So let me come up with another video wherein I'll be showcasing to you one more paper as to how the comparative work has been taken care of for these databases. Till then, thank you and take care. Bye.